USD. Categories of currency pairs. Currency pairs. A currency pair is the combination of two national currencies for trading on the foreign exchange (FX) market. Each currency will have its own exchange rate on which the trade will be based. Regardless of whether a trader is selling, buying, or trading, currency pairs will be used in all Forex transactions. Categories of currency pairs. Pairs of currencies fall into the following categories. Major pairs. There are 7 currencies that account for 80% of global Forex trading. It includes EUR or USD, USD or JPY, GBP or USD, USDF, USD or CAD, and AUD or USD. Minor pairs. Generally traded against other major currencies rather than the US dollar, these are less frequently traded. This includes EUR or GBP, EUR or CHF, and GBP or JPY. Exotics. The value of a major currency against that of a small or emerging economy. These include USD or PLN, US dollar vs Polish zloty, GBP or Mexican sterling vs Mexican peso, and EUR or CZK. Regional pairs. The pairs are classified by regions like Scandinavia or Australasia. The following are included: EUR or NOK Euro vs Norwegian krona, AUD or NZD Australian dollar vs New Zealand dollar, and AUD or SGD